Hello, dear friends. In this session, I'm going to talk about how to give editing access or admin access from your WordPress website to the people who are working for your SEO or as a contributor or as a blog writer or whatever is the purpose. You need to give editing access or admin access to the people. For example, I'm your SEO expert and you need to give me admin access. So how to do that? You just go to your this dashboard, then very easy, you have to go to the users section, and here you can click on add new, and here username you can provide any username. For example, any username. Email ID is required, so you can say any @any.com, and if you want, you can add the names and generate password, or you can type the preferred password. For example, any @ 2022, and you can confirm the use of weak password. Then you can give editor or administrator. For example, if I'm working as your SEO manager, then you should give me administrator access, because sometimes there are few things which are requiring to have admin access. So that's it. Add new user. It is done. Now this person can easily log in with the email ID and the password. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please feel free to share it or use it in your blog or wherever you feel like. Thank you very much.